Taking a look at some international headlines now, and the U.S. Federal Appeals Court, which is currently deciding whether or not to lift a stay on the controversial travel ban issued through a presidential executive order of Donald Trump, has issued a statement which says it will provide 90 minutes notice before a ruling is handed down. In the statement, the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals in San Francisco said it would not hand down judgment as expected yesterday after it heard representations from lawyers representing government and the states of Washington and Minnesota, which are challenging the order. This as President Trump continues his criticism of the judicial system that could thwart his attempts to both block refugees from entering the country and his travel ban on people from 7 Muslim-majority countries.
A day after the Court of Appeals heard arguments on the U.S. administration challenging a lower court's temporary suspension of the order, President Trump's comments appear to already undermine any ruling by the court.
I don't ever want to call a court biased, so I won't call it biased. And we haven't had a decision yet. But courts seem to be so political, and it would be so great for our justice system if they would be able to read a statement and do what's right. And that has to do with the security of our country, which is so important.
Comments come amidst a barrage of tweets on the subject, in one quoting a poll identifying his immigration ban as one of the most popular orders issued since he took office, or this one, saying that if the government did not win the case, then the country would never have the safety and security it was entitled to.
I think it's sad. I think it's a sad day. I think our security is at risk today, and it will be at risk until such time as we are entitled and get what we are entitled to. Of entry or imposition of restrictions by the president. Okay, now, this isn't just me. This is for Obama, for Ronald Reagan, for the president. And this was done, very importantly, for security, something you people know more about than all of us.
While the court was expected to hand down a ruling as early as Wednesday, it has indicated it will hand down that ruling as soon as possible. Bryce-Pease, SABC News, New York.